As campaign activities in eastern Portland continues ahead of the April 4 by-election, opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips toured the constituency yesterday. Dr. Phillips continued to tell supporters that the government does not mean the people well, and so he insists that it's time for a change. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
It was a smaller crowd than the turnout nomination day Friday that gathered in Ferry Hill, Portland Saturday to listen to the People's National Party president, Dr. Peter Phillips. Dr. Phillips, who spent less than 30 minutes addressing supporters, said while his party is not against development in the constituency, the people continue to suffer, especially those in farming.
One youth, 25-year-old, working land, of irrigation system, exporting his crops, making arrangements with agro-processors. Then all of a sudden you hear say four big people get the land. The land not advertised, them not consult with the farmers, them not say nothing to them. All of a sudden, despite all they have done, all their work, all their dreams, all their ambitions, all their plans to improve the land and provide for their families.
Recently, the government announced that Jamaicans are to benefit from $14 billion in tax cuts. However, Dr. Phillips says while that appears to be a good look for the government, ordinary Jamaicans will not benefit.
Everybody sacrifice, pensioner sacrifice, ordinary people sacrifice. Workers get 5 years of wage freeze, and now as the economy start ease up and them say them can give back some, who them give? Not the people. Them will take off nothing off of GCT, them will take off nothing off of gas price.
The opposition leader called on the people of eastern Portland not to depend on handouts, but rather to strive to be independent, as that's one of the surest ways out of poverty.
If you don't submit to the dictation of those who have, you're a dead film. But there is another vision, which is the vision of the People's National Party, which is the vision of Damian Crawford, of self-reliance and assistance to the people so they can grow themselves out of a reliance and assistance from anyone.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.